In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email signature in Proton Mail using Google Chrome. If you've been wanting to add that personal touch or professional finish to your emails, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Proton Mail in your Chrome browser and log in with your account credentials. Make sure you have everything handy because once you're logged in, you're set to spruce up your outgoing emails. A clean and well thought out signature can make a lasting impression, so it's worth investing a bit of time to get it just right. Once you're on the main page of Proton Mail, direct your attention to the gear icon located in the upper right corner. This icon serves as your shortcut to the settings menu where you can tweak how things look and function to suit your preferences. Click this gear icon and it will open up a new world of customization options for your Proton Mail account. The next step is to navigate to the Identity and Signature section within the settings. This section has all you need for setting up and modifying email signatures. Here, you can manage the identities connected to your account and edit how your signature looks whenever you send an email. Ensure you're in the right sections because this is where all the magic happens. Now focus on the email address for which you'd like to add a signature. If you have multiple addresses linked to your account, be sure to select the one you intend to create the signature for. Choosing the right address is crucial, especially if you have a professional and a personal identity under the same account. Once you've selected the appropriate email address, you'll see a text box ready for your input. This space is where you'll enter your preferred signature text. Whether it's a simple best regards, followed by your name, or a little more elaborate with your contact details and a call to action, make sure it reflects the tone and purpose you want to convey in your emails. After crafting the perfect signature, you have the option to format it using the built-in editor. Here, you can play around with fonts, sizes, and colors, and even add hyperlinks if needed. The editor provides all the basic tools to make your signature not only readable, but also visually appealing. Finally, after you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. This step is vital because saving locks in your new signature settings. Once saved, your signature will automatically appear in any new emails you compose, allowing you to maintain consistency in how you present yourself to your contacts. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your email signature on Proton Mail, streamlining your email communication. Now every email you send will carry your unique